I had a feeling. I had a feeling that was gonna happen.
I realized it's 8:51. I was like, maybe they'll actually get here at 9. Here they are. Oh, there's 2 trucks. Here they are. One of them's got the new unit. They just got here. Here we go. It's so weird seeing it almost off its pad.
Pretty cool.
And then you'll get. Yeah, just put it by the garage right now. That is so weird seeing it off the ground.
All the way across the house to the front.
Yeah, just put it by the garage right now. Yeah.
So like he drops it off and then he takes this away for us. So we don't have.
But I'm keeping it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
We're in that corner.
How about over here for now?
Right here.
Yeah, right here. It is so weird. Yet it really doesn't shock me too much. No pun intended.
Ready?
All right. Here we go. Oh, wow. That looks nice. It's it is from 25th week of 2023, and it's a 3.5 ton. That's a Copeland scroll compressor, right?
Yeah, I think so.
It is. It has an Emerson Copeland scroll in it. Nice. There's the new unit.
Coming down or? No, straight ahead if you can. I got it. All right, just put it down. Put it down.
That is for sure taller than my old one.
Yeah.
That is so much taller. Nice. Where did the carrier logo go? Oh.
You want to put it on?
Could you put it right here?
You want to do the honors?
Here. Yeah, here, I'll do my Coleman's replacement. We got the unit in place. We got they're replacing the evaporator point right now. And I'll stop it down. Make that much time. I posted on Discord too, so I want to show you. Keeping the old unit right here. Here it is. It's just rusting. Yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. Nothing.
It's all right. You're right.
Finally got it running. It works. Charge up and everything. It's all running. Let's see. And it's running now. It don't matter. It works. tons and tons of videos of this thing coming soon.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. The love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the